Hi, buenos dias. How are you today? So I wanted to give you a quick video here about doing an interactive reader. Now, the interactive reader is by far the most important thing that you will do on this curriculum, this program. The interactive reader will determine your level of growth throughout the year. Okay, so now in Spanish. Hola, hoy día quiero hacer un video muy rápido para introducir a ustedes un video para cómo funciona su interactive reader. En este programa de iLit, este interactive reader es la cosa más importante que ustedes van a hacer. Este interactive reader van a medir su nivel de crecimiento por todo el año crecido. Entonces, lo mejor que puedes hacer aquí es cuántos niveles van a subir en este programa. ¿Ok? Entonces, vámonos. So, for your interactive reader, each person actually kind of has a little bit different of a program. So go to learnilit.com, right? www.learnilit.com. And some of you even have been smart enough to bookmark that, so that's fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to log in with one of my students' names, and I think today it's going to be Brian Medrano. Brian, I'm going to log into yours. I hope you have everything done. Let's see. A ver. So here we'll log in with Brian's. He's got his name here, and there's a lot of Brian's, so he's Brian too. And then I'm going to put his ID number there, and simple as that, and we're logged in. Okay, so I won't save that, I promise, so that nobody can use it. When you go in today, I want you to go to your assignments, okay? And in your assignments, you should see some new things. Oh, Brian's not quite done yet. You'll see interactive reading up here on the top, okay? Entonces, cuando entran mis amigos, va por aquí interactive reading. Interactive reading, okay? Es un programa que yo pienso está bien fun, hay cosas, para hacer preguntas y luego tienes que escribir un resumen y no es muy difícil, pero es muy interactiva. So it's not very hard, but it is very interactive, okay? So yours, Brian, is connecting through time. So you just click on it and look what happens. Ooh. It's like reading a small story. Some of them are going to be stories. Some of the text will be like newspaper articles, things like that. So this is a real story, okay? Ancestors. So yours is about ancestors. So the first thing you see here is like, oh, what should I do? Well, probably just read, right? The word ancestor means to go before. Now remember, if you're having trouble with it, you can always go
Who are ancestors?
Yeah, it'll play it
Who
for
are
you.
your ancestors? Do you know? They are your great-grandparents. They are your great-great-grandparents.
Okay, so another thing that's very important here, my friends, is that we are not translating. I really want you to try to listen and hear the English, okay? We need to be listening and hearing English more often. Okay, so please don't translate the page. Not yet. When you read, listen. Listen in English or read in English first. Okay, please. It's time to really start thinking about English. Even if you don't understand it very well, it's good to hear the English. Hear the English. Okay, so when you finish reading a page or you're having the page read to you up here, you see? Oh, that's so cool. I love that button. Okay, then you can just go here to the next dot. When you get to the next dot, oh, look, and just a short amount of text you can read, or again, you can have it read to you.
Imagine living in a time in the past, such as among the pioneers. Or imagine living in an ancient kingdom, or during the Civil War. Could your ancestors have lived then? The answer is yes.
Okay, so follow along as you're reading, or if you're having it read out loud to you, and I really recommend that for the first ones. Please read it out loud, listen to it with your headphones on, and really get the gist of the English, okay? Just follow along with your cursor, okay? Now here you'll see something. Oh, reading checkpoint? I don't want to do that. I want to go on. Uh-oh. You won't be able to go on. Look down here, guys. You will not be able to go on unless you answer the reading checkpoint questions. Okay, so the reading checkpoint questions look like this. It says, highlight the sentence that helps you visualize yourself living in an ancient time. Now here, if you need to translate the question, please go ahead and do that. That's a good idea so you understand what it's asking you. So here I need to marca texto. I need to highlight a sentence that helps me visualize myself living in an ancient time. Imagine, visualize. Oh, look, imagine living in the past, or imagine living in an ancient kingdom. Ooh, I think I like this one here. I think I like imagine. Yeah, I think I like that one. Okay, I'm going to save and continue. Let's hope I get it right. Oh, I correctly identified the sentence. Yay. But you know what? If you don't get it right the first time, you get a second chance. And when you get the second chance, the computer gives you a wonderful hint at what the right answer is. Okay? So now you'll be able to continue. You can click here, or you can click on the dots. Okay? So listen, guys, I'm going to leave you at this now because I think you kind of get the point, right? You'll be listening here. Okay? And then you'll be answering questions every other page. Look at that. Now there's another reading checkpoint. Every other page there's a checkpoint and you read that. Okay? All right, friends. We'll work on this today in English class. I'd like for you to start it in your academic enrichment class, and we'll see how you do, okay? All right. So remember, do everything. Okay? English, 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 English. See you later.